Hi everyone, Steve with Cut the Crap and Move to Costa Rica, and today I'm going to give you a tip, a little bit of insight on one of the luxuries that we take for granted coming from North America, and that is hot water. Now, most of your luxury places and even most of your modern homes will have hot water, but do not take it for granted. Do not assume that it is there. Some places only have it in the showers, some only in certain sinks. It depends on where you're at and how the home was built, but many homes in Costa Rica have no hot water, okay? Now, that doesn't sound like a big deal, but when you go from being 90 degrees outside, and high humidity, and you go to take a shower and it is, I don't know, 70 degrees, it is a bit shocking and it is not quite very pleasant. It's also trying to deal with getting grease off of dishes with cold water can be an issue, you know, more soap and more elbow grease. So these are just a couple of the things that have to do with hot water, but we take it for granted quite often. If you are looking at renting a place or purchasing a place long term, you need to look and find out if they have hot water, if that's something that's important to you. Now, I do have friends and people who have no hot water and they have no problem with it, and they've just become accustomed to taking cold showers and to working around the hot water issue. So if you're one of those people, great. I apparently am a little bit spoiled because I feel like hot water is a must. So something to consider. Most homes, like I said, it's kind of 50-50 on whether they're going to have it or not, but most of your more modern homes, your more expensive homes, your nicer homes will have hot water. But if you're trying to move down here on a budget, that is one area that you are going to have to watch out for and make sure that you check that off your list. All right, so that's my tip for today. Get yourself some hot water if at all possible. Like I said, you can live without it, but that's my tip. Give us a like, a follow, and check the links down below. We always have something great going on down there, some specials for you. And leave us a comment. Let us know what's going on. Let us know how important hot water is to you. And would you stay in a place without hot water? How long? For long term? Let us know your feedback there. And we hope to see you in the next video. Hope it helped.